How to add and view your Shein app wish list. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Shein application from your device and get logged into your Shein account. Now, in order to add and view your Shein wish list, let's go ahead and select an item and add that to our wish list. Select an item. And now, in order to add this item to your wish list, you will see a heart icon just beside Add to Cart on your bottom page. Tap onto the heart icon, and that is how you can add this to your wish list. Now, in order to view your wish list, tap on this three-dot icon on your top right, then tap on wish list, and just like so, you will see all the dress or the items that you have added onto your wish list. That is how you can do the same as well. That's all for today. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.